Best chess books for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 chess books that are very good and very useful for beginners. And honestly, you will only need these 7 books. And if you complete them the way I say, that's it. You will be able to improve very quickly. And hopefully, you can follow the books which I mentioned in the second part of this video, which I already uploaded, and hopefully you will be able to improve quickly. So if you only know the rules, if you only know how to move the pieces, how to capture, how to checkmate, then I think starting with this series Learn Chess the Right Way by Susan Folger is the way. There are 5 books in this series. You have to complete all the 5 books, and if you are able to complete all the 5 books, then you already have a basic understanding of the game, and you can move to the second book I recommend, and it is the brilliant series by Yasser Sairavan, Winning Chess. There are many books: Winning Chess Combinations, Play Winning Chess Openings, Winning Chess Tactics, Winning Chess Strategies, and Winning Chess Brilliances. If you read these 6 books one by one, you will get a real understanding of the game, much deeper than the first 5 books, and you will be ready to the next series which I'm going to recommend to you. And this is a must. The third book I wanted to read is Alakana Move by Move. Of course, you will need a player to follow, a role model, and I think Alakana is a very good role model for you, but it will be different from person to person. So basically, any book about a great world champion like Bobby Fischer, Gary Kasparov, Magnus Carlsen, Anton Kapu. You can choose your own world champion, even Vladimir Tramnik. But the point is, I think starting with the Alakana move by move is very good. Um, Even Gary Kasparov famously said that his role model was Alakana when he was starting his chess. So this is the third book you should read. You should follow his games. You should copy his openings. You should copy his attacks in your game and try to understand the variations. It will be really helpful if you complete the first 2 books and this third book. Let's move to the fourth book. Okay, as a beginner, you will need the opening repertoire. So I think starting with the move e4 is very good, and this is a very good book. Starting with e4, starting out e4. It's only $12, and I think you will get all the basic knowledge that you will be needed in order to play a proper game. As a beginner player, you should play the Nimso Indian against the move d4, and I think this move by move Nimso Indian book will be very helpful to you against the move pawn to d4. Against the move e4, if you are playing black, I think you should play pawn to e5 as a beginner player. Then you will need to get an understanding of the open game. So I think opening repertoire, the open games with black will give you that understanding, and it will really help you to improve. Even this says level is intermediate, but of course even a beginner can understand this concept, and it will be very useful for you. After completing all the books I mentioned before, you can get this final book, Art of Attack in Chess. It's a very good book. Of course, the level is intermediate, but as a beginner, you can get a lot of knowledge or a lot of insights after, of course, completing the other books I mentioned. And if you follow these books, it will take a lot of time, like maybe 4 months, 5 months. If you read them all, your level will be improved and you will be no longer a beginner, but you will be an intermediate player, and intermediate players should read the next series I recommend. Subscribe to my channel and watch the next series where I recommend you the best chess books to improve your game if you are an intermediate rated player. Thank you for watching.